my channel. The Dragon Boat Festival, 端午节, is one of the most important traditional holidays in Chinese society. The festival falls on the 5th day of the 5th month in lunar calendar. For ancient Chinese people, the 5th month is considered as a month of bad luck because natural disasters and illnesses are common in this month. Since it's a time when the weather becomes hot and humid, it's easy for people to get sick. Besides, poisonous creatures like snakes, centipedes, and scorpions start to show up from this month. Therefore, people use a lot of herbs like wormwood or calamus that are said to be antibacterial, able to repel insects, or to have the effect of relieving discomfort from the heat. Some Chinese people would decorate their doors with wormwood. Some will give their children fragrance sachets to wear in order to drive away evil spirits. I think they work as insect repellents nowadays. There are many other traditions on 端午节, including dragon boat racing, 划龙舟, and eating rice dumplings, 吃粽子. Dragon boat races are held every year on 端午节. The boats are made to look like Chinese dragons. Some say the tradition of dragon boat racing and eating rice dumplings were meant to commemorate a patriot Chinese poet and also a state minister, Qu Yuan, who died in 278 BC after throwing himself into a river. It is said that local people paddled on boats to search for his body and dropped rice dumplings to feed the fishes in the water, hoping that they wouldn't eat his body. It's a sad story. We will do another episode about the full story of Qu Yuan in the future, hopefully. Some say that the tradition exists long before the incident. Anyways, we are grateful that we can watch the race while eating zongzi nowadays. A Chinese holiday cannot go without a typical dish, and the one for 端午节 is 粽子. They are wrapped with bamboo leaves or lotus leaves in the shape of pyramids. The ingredients include sticky rice and all sorts of stuffing, varying from regions to regions. Some come in sweet, some salty. Today I will unbox a salty one. 今天我们要开箱一个粽子. Eating a rice dumpling is easy. You just unwrap it and eat, except that your hands will get very greasy. I will use chopsticks to show you what's inside. First, you will need to pull the string here. There you go. The sticky rice has become pyramid shaped after steaming. Let's look inside. See peanuts here. Raised pork here. And the yolk of a salty duck egg. You might think a zongzi look bizarre, but it really tastes amazing. And it's so convenient. You may bring some zongzi with you to the park for a picnic or when you go hiking. However tasty they are, don't eat too much of zongzi because they are high in fat and not good for your digestion if you eat too much. So what do you think? Do you think rice dumplings are bizarre? Will you want to try a zongzi? Let me know in the comments how you think of it. Okay, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like if you did. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification. I'm Rena from Mandarin Max. Until next time, 下次见。